Which benchtop router table is actually good? Simple question, but you have to dig a bit to find the right answer. Today, we're unraveling the top 5 options out there. Product number 1, Bosch RA1171 router table. Let's kick things off with the Bosch RA1171. The moment you see it, the quality stands out. Priced at $255.99, it's a solid contender. If you want a reliable and precise router table, this is worth a serious look. This router table features a tall aluminum fence measuring 4 7/8 inch x 25 1/8 inch, making it perfect for handling tall stock easily. The rigid aluminum router mounting plate is designed to stay flat for accuracy. You can even adjust the outfeed for jointing, which is a nice touch. Plus, those 2 dust collection ports help keep your workspace clean, fitting standard 2.5-inch vacuum hoses. With over 1,900 reviews and a solid 4.4-star rating, people are really loving this one. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If you're serious about woodworking, having that precision and dust control can save you a lot of hassle. Now, some people complained about the assembly instructions being a bit vague. Here's the thing though, as long as you're somewhat handy, that shouldn't be a deal breaker. It might take a little longer, but once it's set up, you'll appreciate the quality. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a sturdy, reliable router table that's built for precision. Skip this one if you want something ultra portable. It's more of a stationary setup. But for the money, it's a smart investment. Now, if the RA1171's price tag isn't quite what you're looking for, this next option might just fit the bill perfectly. Product number 2, Bosch RA1141 portable router table. Next up is the Bosch RA1141 portable router table. Priced at $174.99, it's an excellent value for those needing portability. If you want something that's easy to set up and take down, this is definitely worth a serious look. This table has a bit height gauge that makes bit setup easier, which can be a game changer for achieving those precise cuts. The ultra-portable design features folding legs, making storage a breeze. Plus, it comes pre-assembled, so you can get right to work. The tall fence with 2 adjustable featherboards adds extra control, which is essential when routing curved workpieces. With over 1,300 reviews and a solid 4.4-star rating, users appreciate its ease of use. Here's why this matters for you. If you're often on the move or don't have a permanent workspace, this table's portability can save you time and effort. However, some users reported that the fence could be a bit wobbly. Here's the thing, if you're working with lighter materials, it shouldn't be a major concern. Just bear in mind that it's best for casual work rather than heavy-duty projects. This is perfect for you if you need a portable option for easy setups. Skip this one if you do a lot of heavy routing. It's not the sturdiest choice. But for casual woodworking, it's a great value. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for versatility. Product number 3, Bosch RA1181 router table. Now let's talk about the Bosch RA1181 router table. At $284.99, it's a step up in features. If you want a bigger workspace with enhanced capabilities, this is worth a serious look. This model has a large aluminum top that provides an extended work area while maintaining durability and precision. The dedicated dust collection port fits standard 2.5-inch vacuum hoses, keeping your workspace clean. Plus, the extra tall aluminum fence has adjustable faceplates, which maximizes precision for a variety of projects. It's rated at 4.5 stars with over 5,100 reviews, which speaks volumes about its reliability. Here's why this matters for you. If you're working on larger projects, having that spacious top and effective dust collection is a big plus. Now, some users noted that it could be a bit heavy to move around. Here's the thing though, that weight contributes to its stability. If you have a permanent workspace, it's actually a benefit. This is perfect for you if you need a solid, durable router table for larger projects. Skip this one if you require something lightweight and portable. It's definitely a good investment for the serious woodworker. Now, if you're looking for a combo kit that brings even more to the table, the next product might be right for you. Product number 4, Skill RT1323-01 Router Table Kit. Next on the list is the Skill RT1323-01 Router Table and 10-amp Fixed Base Router Kit. Priced at $219, it's a great combo for those just getting started. If you want a complete kit that has everything you need, this is worth a serious look. This kit includes a router table and a powerful 10-amp fixed base router, which can handle various routing tasks with ease. The above-the-table adjustment feature makes accessing router bits simple, which can save you time. The large fence measures 24 inches wide, complete with adjustable MDF faceplates for smooth operation with taller workpieces. With 1,400 reviews and a 4.5-star rating, it's clear that users appreciate this combo. Here's why this matters for you. If you're starting out, having an all-in-one kit can simplify your woodworking journey. Now, some users have mentioned that the setup process could be a little complex. Here's the thing. Once you get through it, the functionality is worth it. It may take some effort, but it pays off in performance. This is perfect for you if you're new to woodworking and need a comprehensive solution. Skip this one if you're an experienced woodworker who prefers separate specialized tools. For the price, it's a fantastic way to kickstart your projects. Finally, we're rounding this out with a unique option that offers a different take on router tables. Product number 5, Craig Benchtop Router Table. Last but not least is the Craig Benchtop Router Table, priced at $289.98. If you're looking for premium features and a solid build, this is worth a serious look. This router table features a 16-inch tall routing table and a standard insert plate that supports most routers. The Benchtop router fence has sliding faces and locking levers, which make jointing capabilities smooth and precise. The low-friction MDF board top lessens vibration, which helps you achieve clean cuts. With a strong 4.5-star rating from 439 reviews, it's clear that users appreciate its quality. Here's why this matters for you. If you want something that's built to last and offers precise control, this table is a great investment. Now, some users reported that the assembly can be a bit tricky. Here's the thing. If you take your time and follow the provided instructions, it's manageable. It pays off once you experience the stability and performance. This is perfect for you if you want a high-quality router table that can handle serious work. Skip this one if you're looking for something compact and easily portable. It's definitely worth the investment for serious woodworkers. So there you have it, the top 5 benchtop router tables. The Bosch RA1171 for reliability, the Bosch RA1141 for portability, the Bosch RA1181 for workspace, the Skill RT1323-01 for beginners, and the Craig Benchtop for premium features. Each has its strengths, so choose what fits your needs best.